is because at that time, when this came out, they wanted out of the bus business. They were not trying to.
Hey, leave me alone.
Make. What the hell did I do over there? And so they should have redesigned this air shifter for the 3-speed much better than they did. But because they were coming out with the V730 and they just, to me, this was always kind of a half-ass way they did it. But then again, they didn't ask me.
Why were the wires so long, though? I mean,
Well, good question.
was there originally some sort of keeper?
The designer that day was drunk when he came to work.
Well, it originally had engine covers on for there.
Oh no, that was a whole different thing. All GM buses come with engine covers. They're aluminum and they go under the bus. And about the first week, everybody throws them away because you can't get to the end. You can't get to nothing. There we go. See?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Well, there it is.
Nice job.
There we go.
So it's got.
Now tomorrow, I got to come back and take this apart again. Anyway, I got to take that out and fix it.
It's got forward and reverse and everything now.
It should work right. I tested it. We'll go test it right now.
All right, let's do that.